What's up guys, Epic Tim here, and we've got the Nova project on the lift. And before I get started, if you can think of a name for this thing, leave it in the comments below. Let's see what creativity we can come up with. It needs something catchy. But our 64 is on the rack. Buddy Bruce came over here last week and helped me pull out the drivetrain, rear axle, leaf springs, and the whole jazz so we can get ready to put in the first suspension mod for this project. And I'm going to take you in, show you a couple things. Jordan came over today and got a few things squared away down here. So as you can see, quite different. We've cut out the factory pockets for where the subframe floor meets the back half in the clip. We've cut out all these things. We've got these fancy plates from Hotrods to Hell to weld into here. And then we've got our truck arm jacks here and our first cross member that's going in. So next step is to pop this thing back out, clean up everywhere that needs weld, and start to fit and final fit our filler plates. And at that point, we're going to go over some other details. Quick note for you guys, if you are putting this truck arm kit in yourself, this pocket right here and both sides, there's a couple layers of steel that you have to go through. So this actually accesses up through the trunk. You don't even need to pull out your back seat if you don't want to. There's no carpet or anything that's exposed here. There's wire for the fuel sending unit. Is a little precautious and in the way. You might pop this plug. I did not. I got away just fine. Didn't touch a thing, but that could be a potential problem. You can crawl through the trunk and tape that up out of the way. That would probably be a good idea. Wish I would have thought of that up in advance. You are going to have to pull out the rivet here for your fuel line. Your brake line stops here, e-brake over here. This is all good. Once you get this clip out of the way, you'll be able to pull this down, and we're going to cut it off right here, flare it, put a rubber hose back up to this guy at a little bit later date. This tank is going to come out probably in the next video, but so far so good. We're making some progress. I've got 1964 leaf springs and a 5-lug rear end if anybody wants it. 308 gears, nice and stock. E-brake works, drums are in good shape, shoes have been replaced not too long ago. I couldn't tell you, I haven't had this car but put about 1,000 miles on it. I've never done brakes, but they're in pretty good shape. If anybody wants that, leave a note down below, shoot me a message and we'll get you hooked up, figure out where you live and how to get it to you. But other than that, things are moving right along. A little fun topic on getting this thing in the garage. This did not want to start. It was about 28-9 degrees whenever we decided to fire it up and get it up in here. Been sitting for a long time. So we ended up having to pour a little bit of gas down the carburetor. Took forever. Got it to chug finally after checking for spark and a whole bunch of other stuff. Got it running. Warmed it up a little bit. Took 6 tries to get this beast up the driveway and into the garage. So we'll get some footage on that. Check it out real quick.
So close. Yes, yes. Oh, we're so close. Yes. Yes. How do you feel?
It's slipping the clutch the whole way.
Oh, I can smell it.
Yeah.
Accomplished. Mission accomplished. The Nova is in the garage.
Wow, what a struggle. That clutch was slipping the entire way. It's probably not very happy now. but it is the small 6-cylinder 3-speed transmission. Riding that clutch all the way up here stank pretty bad, but we got it done on the rack obviously, and I'm going to be doing some big things. So thanks for watching. This is update number 1. Every day that I'm out here working on this thing, you guys are going to see a little bit more and a little bit more. I'm not going to do a really traditional how-to video on every step of this process, but I want to point out to you guys some of the cool, weird, little different challenges and struggles that we've had to get this thing up and rolling. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Peace.